Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying compatibility. Make sure your mobile supports OTG or Bluetooth HID and that you have the right USB-C or Lightning adapter. Once done, power on the mouse and keyboard and enable pairing mode for Bluetooth or plug the USB adapter into your phone. Make sure battery levels are good and close unnecessary apps to avoid interference. If prompted by the OS, grant input device permissions. You need the system to accept external input before proceeding to configuration. Next, pair or connect and configure controls to match your workflow. If Bluetooth, find the device in Settings and tap to pair. If USB, confirm the system recognizes the HID device. Once connected, adjust pointer speed and scroll direction in accessibility or pointer settings, and remap keys like Alt, Control, or CMD to match mobile shortcuts. For custom macros or gestures, install a reputable remapping app. This lets you assign long presses, function keys, or swipe gestures to actions you use. Finally, test the setup across the apps you use. Type, use shortcuts, and switch between touch and pointer to ensure smooth interaction. If the mouse or keyboard is unresponsive, restart the phone and peripherals, then repair or reconnect the USB adapter. Power cycle OTG hubs if needed. Make sure firmware is updated and try a different cable or adapter to rule out hardware faults. If issues persist, boot into safe mode or disable interfering accessibility apps to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.